I'm going to give you an overview of the NCFA portal and how to register, book, view results and certificate your functional skills learners. When you become an approved centre, we will set you up with a portal account, and this is where you will log into the portal. You can use the URL portal.ncfa.org.uk, or you can use links directly via the website. You can also reset your password and get a prompt to remember your username if you need that. So once you come to the portal, you just log in. If we have any important information, there will be a pop-up when you log into the portal to tell you. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to register your learners. If you choose registration and register learners using KIN or CSV file. You need to find the qualification that you want to register the learner on. And then choose available session. If you want to add your learners to a batch that you've already registered, you can click this button and it will bring up other batches. If you want to create a new batch, just leave that blank. You now fill in your learner details. Any field that has a red star is a mandatory field. Once you have filled those details, click Add. You can also upload learners by CSV file. If you go to the support function, there is a button here which is called Download CSV Tool. If you click that, it will give you further guidance on how to format your spreadsheet to be able to upload via CSV. There is also further instructions within the portal user guide. You can also locate the portal user guide from the support tab. Click Next. You can then select the address you wish to use against the batch, so you can choose a main address or a satellite address. And you can fill in your contact details, add a reference number, a purchase order number, and also confirm the certification delivery address. Then click Finish. This will give you a batch number that you can use to search for your learners, and also you can download some reports confirming the order, learner status, etc. I will now show you how to book a paper-based external assessment. So to do that, you go to Bookings, Book External Assessment. And then search via the batch number. You can search on the learner name or qualification information. Click Search. Select the learner that you wish to book and click Make Bookings. Select which paper you want to book. So for English, you have a choice of reading or writing. And at the bottom, you would choose the assessment window, the delivery address, assessment location, and also the assessment date and time. For English, you would need to do this for reading and writing. We do require 10 days notice for bookings. However, if you do need a paper sooner than this, that is possible, but you may incur a fast track charge. Once you have filled all of these details in, click Book Entries, and this will make the booking for you, and the papers will automatically be sent to the address that you have chosen. If you want to view any bookings that you have made at any point, just click View Assessments. You can search via batch or learner details or product details, and that will show you any bookings that you have made previously. For level 1 and 2 functional skills, you can also set these assessments online. There is a link to the online assessment in the Bookings tab. I will go through the online assessment system a bit later on, but you do need to be approved to run online assessments. And what happens is when you register learners, that data is sent to the online assessment system, so you are able to book your learners directly in there. I will show you now how to book a controlled assessment. Again, you just locate your learner that you have registered. Once you have located your learner, just click the box and then click Book Controlled Assessments. You can then select the topic that you want the learner to be booked on. Once you've chosen that, click Confirmation. You will then need to read the guidance and click the Confirmation button. You can now download an assessment material pack that is required for the controlled assessments by clicking on this link. You can also view any controlled assessments that you've booked and re-download the assessment pack from there if required by again searching for batch, learner name or product details. Once your learner has sat their assessment and the results are released, they will appear in the results screen. Again, so if you search a learner, you can search by batch or product code or learner name. Locate your learner and then you will see the different results that the learner has received. So for example, they've got reading and writing, so they've got a fail, a pass, and this will show the different attempts from the learner. There's also different reports that you can download to confirm the learner result and any order summary. In regard to certification, if your learner has an external assessment only, that will automatically be banked and a certificate will be issued. However, if you are claiming entry level or speaking and listening communication, because those are controlled assessments, you will need to make a claim for those. And by doing that, you just click Make a Claim and locate the learner again, either by the name or the batch number or the product information. Locate your learner, click the button and then click Submit. So this is an entry level 2 and it has 3 components. So to claim those components, you will select the learner and then click Mark Components. You will then confirm when the learner has passed each component by clicking into the box so that a pass sign goes into each component. You can save the components so you can add them as the learner's pass, or you can wait till the end and claim for everything. So once the learner has a full certificate, that's when you're able to claim. You can also claim partial certificates as well, but obviously if the learner has got all elements, don't claim until they have the full certificate. You can then choose the addressee and the address and the IQA. Once you've filled in those details, click Submit, and that will generate the certificate for your learner. I'm just going to go through the My Learners tab just to show you how to add any reasonable adjustments. So if you go to My Learners and Manage Learners, again, locate your learner. Once you have located your learner, you can click the Edit button next to their name. This will allow you to edit any details of the learner, and also you can add access arrangements and any paper modifications into the learner record. If a learner has had a reasonable adjustment agreed, you do need to put this into the portal in this section. A few other things you can do in the learner screen is you can cancel learners, withdraw learners, transfer learners, top up learners or unwithdraw learners. Detailed information on everything I've discussed today is available in the portal user guide, so I would advise you to download that and refer to that if you do have any queries. And also if there's any problems or you've got any questions, you can speak to our customer support team.